Getting perfect curls can feel like a lot of work, especially when you're short on time. That's where automatic and rotating curling irons come in. They do most of the work for you with just the push of a button. No more awkward wrist twisting or guessing which way to curl. Whether you like loose waves or defined curls, these tools help you get salon-like results at home. In this video, we are sharing 7 of the best options that are easy to use, gentle on your hair, and work for different hair types. Let's help you find your new favorite curler. Okay, let's start with the Noom automatic curling wand because sometimes you just don't want to fight your hair to make it look cute, right? This one's great if you love having options. It comes with 3 interchangeable barrels, which means you can easily switch from soft waves to bouncy curls depending on your mood or the vibe you're going for. What really makes it shine, though, is how easy it is to use. Just clamp a section of hair, press a button, and it rotates for you, no awkward wrist twisting or guesswork. Plus, the tourmaline ceramic and negative ion tech help keep frizz in check and shine turned all the way up. It's especially good for medium to long hair, and honestly, it's kind of a time saver. If you're someone who wants salon-style curls without leaving your bedroom, this one makes it pretty simple. Now, if you like the Noom but wish it could also dry your hair, let's talk about the Shark Flex style because this one's basically your curling iron and blow dryer's cooler, smarter cousin. The coolest part? With just a twist, it goes from a powerful hair dryer to a multi-styler that can curl, volumize, smooth, or just dry and go. If your routine is packed or you just like a tool that does it all, this one's kind of a dream. It even wraps your hair around the barrel automatically, so it takes out the guesswork. You hold it near your hair and it does the wrapping and setting. Super satisfying, and the heat protection? Legit. It adjusts the temperature constantly so your hair doesn't get fried. If you've got wavy, curly, coily, or even super straight hair, it works across the board. And for anyone trying to cut down on styling time, this is your new sidekick. Alright, let's say you want curls fast, without the drama of tangled strands or cinched fingers. That's where the Timo Curl Pro comes in. It's light, smart, and actually kind of fun to use. You just place a small section of hair into the slot, press a button, and wait for the beep, boom, 1 curl done. What makes it stand out is how safe and smooth it feels. The outside stays cool, and if your hair gets stuck, we've all been there, it automatically reverses to fix it so you're not panicking mid-style. It also uses T-gloss ceramic and a crazy amount of negative ions, 500 million to be exact, to fight frizz and keep curls shiny and bouncy for up to 3 days. This one's perfect for travel, rushed mornings, or just anyone who wants solid results without a ton of effort. Think fast curls, minimal stress, and a good hair day that actually lasts. Now, if the Timo was all about speed and shine, this one's your new travel buddy with serious smarts. The She Glamit Curl is for anyone who wants to look fabulous without wrestling with a hot iron at 7 a.m. Just pop in your hair, hit 1 button, and you're curling. That's it. You get defined curls or soft waves in like 60 seconds flat. And the best part? No burns, no tangles. Seriously, it's beginner-friendly and totally safe. Planning a trip? It's travel-ready with auto-voltage adjustment so you can glam up in Paris, Tokyo, or your cousin's wedding 3 states away. And thanks to the Gloss Pro ceramic coating, your curls stay smooth, shiny, and frizz-free. Got thick hair, thin, somewhere in between? The 3 heat settings cover all bases. Whether you want that soft romantic curl or a tighter defined look, this tool's got you. Super useful for everyday styling and those just landed and need to look alive days. Okay, let's say you're after those sleek, shiny waves that actually last past brunch without the curling drama. That's where the Drybar 3-Day Bender earned its name. Think of it as the chill big sister of your old schooling curling iron. What makes it special? The rotating clamp. You don't have to twist your wrist like you're doing your hair yoga. Just clamp, rotate, and boom, consistent curls every time. And here's what your hair will love: less frizz, more shine, thanks to the ionic tech. It heats evenly and quickly, so you're not going over the same section 5 times. Plus, it's got a digital temp control, so whether you've got fine strands or a thick mane, it's got the perfect setting for you. This one shines for everyday styling or glam events when you want your hair to hold its shape and your sanity. Just clamp, spin, and let those curls do their thing. If you have ever tried curling the back of your head and ended up with a hot mess, girl, the Beach Waver S1 is about to become your new best friend. It's designed to take the awkward out of the curling and actually make it fun. With one press of a button, the barrel rotates and does the twirling for you. You're totally in control, though it only spins when you say so. Whether you want loose beach waves or tighter curls, it's super easy to get consistent results without the guesswork. Great for busy mornings or last-minute date nights, this one heats up in 30 seconds. And also lets you switch between slow and fast speeds depending on your mood. And yes, it's dual voltage, so it travels as well as it styles. If you've got the medium to long hair and just want waves at work, this curler is a total time saver and vibe setter. Let's wrap it up with one that brings some serious glam, the Longelou Prowette. If you want big bouncy curls or soft, polished waves with that salon-level shine, this one totally delivers without the usual hassle. The extra-long titanium barrel means more space for your strands, especially if you have got thick or long hair. And yes, it rotates by itself. Just press a button to spin left, right, or reset. No more tangled-up arm maneuvers in the mirror. You also get to pick your curl vibe. Use the 25mm barrel for tighter, beachy waves or go with 32mm for voluminous, red carpet-style curls. Either way, the titanium helps cut down frizz and boost shine, which, let's be honest, is a win in any weather. It heats up fast, adjusts for your hair type, and shuts off automatically if you forget. Perfect for glam lovers, everyday stylers, or literally anyone who wants great hair days on repeat. So, which curler stole your heart today? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing your favorites. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for more easy beauty tips coming your way.